This question is from GATE 2015, Mechanical Engineering paper set 3, question number 35. In a CNC milling operation, the tool has to machine the circular arc from point 20,20 to 10,10 at sequence number 5 of the CNC part program. If the center of the arc is at 20,10 and the machine has incremental mode of defining position coordinates, the correct toolpath command is dash. Let's find out. So a toolpath command is basically defined by using its first sequence number, then comes the mode, then comes the direction of motion, then comes the local coordinates of destination point, and the last thing that is written is the radius of the arc. Now let's find out what all is there in the given configuration. So the sequence number that is given is 5. So sequence number is written as N05. The mode is incremental mode. Basically here the mode is being defined, and as per given information the mode is incremental mode. So it's denoted by G91. That's the standard for this particular mode. Then comes the direction of motion. So we need to identify the direction of motion here. How do we do it? Let's see how the tool is traveling. Let's plot the coordinates. So the origin that is given from where it is starting is 20,20. This be 20,20 point. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This is the origin for the global axis, while this is from where the tool starts traveling. That is why we call it the local origin, 20,20. And from here, the tool is traveling to 10,10, which is the destination point. So we can write here as well that 10,10 are the local coordinates of destination point, and this will be somewhere here, the 10,10 point. From here, if the tool is traveling here, then the direction should be anti-clockwise. Definitely, it should be anti-clockwise. And the center of the arc is present at 20,10. So which is 20 is the x coordinate and 10 is the y coordinate. So it is exactly here, 20,10. And therefore from here we can also determine the radius of the arc. So if this is the arc and this is the center, the radius will be clearly 10. Radius of the arc here is 10. So we can write this will be R10. And direction of motion is anti-clockwise. So according to that, the standard which is used is G03. G01 is for a straight line path. G02 is for a clockwise path along an arc. And G03 is for a anti-clockwise path along an arc. So we have our path command here, N05, G91, G03, 10,10, which can be written as x coordinate 10, y coordinate 10, and then radius is also 10. Let's go back and mark the correct option which has this path command. So we can see here N05, G91, G03, X10, Y10, R10 is given in option B. Option B is the correct path command. To learn more about CNC machines, you can refer to the NPTEL video CNC Machines and Interpolation from the course Automation in Manufacturing. This course is by Dr. Shri Krishna N. Joshi. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Guwahati. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.